Guys, my name is Aftab. Today we will learn how to configure product listing. How can set default positioning and default number of product display on catalog page, right? So this is a default catalog page, and here is default product listing 12, and positioning is position, sort by position. So how can modify and how can set catalog page, right? So guys, go to an admin area, add username and password, right? Entering capture. This is for WVY, right? Enter, and after entering on comes on dashboard. Wait, yes. So go to store configuration and go to catalog, right? Yes, and this is all managing things from here, a catalog, right? So this is catalog search, and this is category top navigation, right? This is search, and this is navigation, right? And where this is placeholder, you can set your own placeholder, right? So go to front end. This is main thing. Go to catalog, store, configuration, catalog, and front end, right? So right now here is 12 product comes and short by is position default, right? So you can set here from you want to grid listing only, right? And default list product you want to suppose 12, or maybe suppose 8, right? And page limit allow value 15, 12. No, we need 8, 16, 16, 24, P2, and 40, right? And don't need for position, we need price, right? Allow product per page, yes. Save this, right? Okay, and go to cache system and select all. No need for select all, only need for unselect, only need for invalid keys only. And refresh it, right? And go to front end, and you see now on listing, because we are filtering here the listing only, right? So here it comes only listing, right? And page is eight product on one page. So counting this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So 8 product comes from listing, and you want to add grid system only. So save it, right? And go to refresh it. Oops, not cleared cache, my bad. Configure and page cache. Refresh it, right? And see, look, right? You see grid system and sort by default price, right? And here is no only 9 products, so we need only 8, right? 8, and here is 8, 8, and second page is at 12, so 16 and 24. Save, right? And go to cache configuration and page cache. select and refresh it and go to front end. Wait, yes. Now let's click on here. So guys, this is 8 product comes and then second page and grid system and price, and you need to configure by product name, sort by product name, save it, right, and go to cache system configuration and page cache, right, and refresh it, okay, and go to refresh it. And now is you see product sort by product name, right, and default product is 8, right. So this is default listing, and you want to default grid and listing, and you want to write both of grid default and second thing is listing, right, and enter here 12, first is 12, right, and save it and configuration and cache, right, and share it and click on front end, yes, right now. Guys, this is 12 grid now. Right now 12 project comes in grid, right, and both of first one is grid system, second is listing, right, click on here and it can move on grid system listing, and now is grid system, right, and you want to display first one is listing and then grid, so save it, right, and click on configuration and cache, right, and refresh it again and refresh it. So guys, this is comes on default list system in product, and second one is grid system, right. So as per your need you can modify, right, and number of pages, number of product you can set here from default positioning, position, product name, price you can set here, right, and this is used for product flat data. This is I think I in future definitely I cover in separate video what is a flat catalog system, right, and this is searches per product you can set here, and so product listing, yes, right. So this is product listing you can set from here. You go to store, right guys, and configuration. After configuration comes this page and catalog and front end. You can set from here on catalog listing, right, as per your requirement, grade listing, listing grid, right, number of product is and default sort by, right. So this is product listing. This is very much in this video, guys. If you have any problem about catalog grid system and catalog listing, please let me know or comments me, or thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget for subscribe. Thank you so much.